suddenly they just come and bite, and that's resulted in many various.
The Meghalaya Stray Dogs Welfare Organization MSDWO haklai tarik nailor kala ajingkhen bahadu ubnai jelio mentau snam kidon kumba arajar sospa khandai poteli ki jingja basha daikso hakani ke jala Meghalaya pat kumba sheja sospa lai psangut ki bangat akani ke jingja ki de ki khana hakajingkhen balapan mi dakani ka seng MSDWO nadu snam arja po hadu snam arja khandrio kidon kumba Arpsan hajar sospa sapunyo teli ki jingja basha daikso hakani ke jala habakrana ka awareness program UMLA kanok thmai pa jimino mautho long pa jingja kapayede pat ka jingsha daikso hakani ke jala tlalong kum ke jingpen chaptieng uba mautho long habaura yakani ke jing e bane kren ba sarkar jala ka jubab ka bo yo pyang nak sarkar klong pa umdan pisa na bantaban chimkya yakini kikso surok pat kipat ba kimang husiar na kabanta banile ekani ka jingma jong kini kikso.
When we talk about the number of cases of dog bites, I mean, when you say in just a span of 4 to 5 years, we have more than 25 cases of dog bites. That too reported. What about unreported cases? You know, not only in the city of Shillong, but even in the rural areas also. What about the unreported cases? I think it is quite serious. Myself, I have been bitten twice, not by a stray dog, not by a stray dog, but I have been bitten twice. So this is a very, very serious problem, and I think we need to address this appropriately. When I asked this question in the assembly, you know, the response that I get from the government is this: when it comes to stray dogs, the government has no funds, no money to take care of the stray dogs. That is the answer given in the assembly. And number two is that the public are not responsive, you know, in coming together to fight this menace of stray dogs in the city of Shillong and in the state as a whole. Now this is the reply from the government side, and from the government side they had said that there will be a committee which will be constituted which will look into the issue of the stray dogs.